The all-new Renault Master has arrived at JJ Burke Car Sales. Perfectly designed for your business needs, this van is a game changer for professionals. With its robust design, spacious cargo area and advanced technology features, the new Renault Master is built for performance. It offers improved load space access, the largest sliding door in its category, a best-in-class turning circle, a new driver-focused cabin, exceptional multimedia and connectivity, a wide range of both standard and optional safety features, and for the eco-conscious, the option of a 100% electric version. All this plus a massive 5-year or 200,000 kilometre warranty for peace of mind. The new Master features a 2-litre diesel engine with a choice of 130, 150 or 170 horsepower. All engines are available with a 6-speed manual gearbox, while a brand new 9-speed automatic gearbox is available on the 150 and 170 horsepower engines. Experience the innovation and reliability of the new Renault Master. Visit us here in JJ Burke Car Sales in Ballinrobe to see it for yourself and take it for a test drive.